Students, I am going to explain you today the enzyme inhibitors. So for understanding the enzyme inhibitors, you have to firstly understand about inhibitors. Inhibitors are those substances which are able to inhibit the activity of anything. So as per the name indicated, that enzyme inhibitors are those substances which are able to inhibit the activity of enzyme. The main activity of enzyme is to catalyze any kind of reactions. So if the concentration of enzyme inhibitor will be enhances, it will automatically reduce the rate of reactions as indicated in the first point. When the concentration of enzyme inhibitor will be enhanced, it will reduce the rate of reactions. Okay, it reduces the capability of substrate and enzyme. As I have already told you in the previous lecture that enzymes are used to bind with the substrate, and when they bind with the substrate, they produce the new product. But the enzyme inhibitors are bind to the enzyme in place of the substrate, and they reduce the capability or compatibility of substrate and enzyme binding. Now the third point, that is it preventing the catalyzing of any kind of reactions. As I have already told you that the enzymes are those which is helpful for catalyzations of any kind of reaction. So when the enzyme inhibitors are bind with that, they generally reduced to happening that kind of reaction. Now the fourth point is amount of product will be inversely proportional to the concentration of inhibitor. When the concentration of inhibitor will be enhances, they will reduce the activity of enzyme. So the enzyme cannot be able to produce any kind of reactions. When the reactions will be not produced, it will affect the amount of product.